Welcome back to my YouTube channel, your go-to destination for all things home decor. Today we have a special treat for you all beach lovers and coastal living enthusiasts out there. We will be exploring a world of tranquility and serenity as we dive into seaside home decor ideas. Whether you live by the ocean or miles away, these creative suggestions will help you to bring the soothing and refreshing coastal vibes right into your living space. So let's get started with some of the best ways to infuse your home with beauty of the seaside. One of the easiest ways to set the seaside scene is by choosing the right color palette. Opt for cool, soothing shades like ocean blue, soft sandy beiges, and crisp white. These colors evoke the essence of the sea and sky instantly, transforming your space into a coastal heaven. When it comes to textile, think about beachy elements like seashell, patterned throw pillows, ocean inspired curtains, and sandy beach rugs. These textures and patterns will create a soothing atmosphere in your home. Adorn your walls with beautiful coastal themed art. Seashell, driftwood, wall hangings, and vintage surfboards and framed nautical maps can be fantastic additions. These pieces will serve as conversation starters and create a unique focal point in your space. To capture the essence of seaside living, select furniture with nautical touch. Consider whitewashed wooden pieces or even furniture that ropes incorporates ropes and anchor into the design. This will make your space feel as though it's right on the shore. If you are lucky enough to live by the sea or if you enjoy beach combing, incorporate your finds into your decor. Seashells, driftwood, and unique stones can be used to create charming DIY projects like seashell encrusted mirrors, driftwood candle holders, and seashell covered vases. Enhance the ambience of your seaside inspired home with coastal lighting, seashell or driftwood chandeliers, lanterns, style pendant lights, and coral inspired table lamps can infuse a warm and beachy glow into your space. It's the small details that bring a theme to life. Seaside inspired accessories such as seashell coasters, beach themed photo frames, and decorative coral pieces can be the strategically around your home, adding to the overall coastal feel. Driftwood is a staple in coastal decor. You can incorporate it in various ways, from using it as a natural centerpiece to crafting it into a unique wall art or even using it as curtain rods. Don't forget about the bathroom. Turn it into a seaside sanctuary with beach themed shower curtains, seashells, soap dispensers, and sandy colored bath mats. Create a coastal inspired bedroom for the perfect seaside retreat. Think about incorporating a canopy bed with sheer white curtains that below like sailcloth in the breeze. Add a few beach themed decorative pillows and let the sound of the waves fool you to the sleep. Your coastal decor journey wouldn't be complete without coastal kitchen makeover. Start by using open shelvings to display seashell collections, beachy themed dishes, and glass jars filled with beautiful colored sea glass. Light blue and turquoise backsplash tiles can evoke the feeling of the ocean, and sandy beige or light wood cabinets can embrace the coastal vibe. Don't forget to hang nautical themed hand towels and incorporate sea themed accents on your dining table. Scent is a powerful tool to enhance your seaside decor. Consider using scented candles or diffusers with scents like ocean breeze, sea salt, or even coconut to fill your home with aroma of beach. Furthermore, dedicate a shelf or small bookcase to showcase your love for the seaside. Arrange your favorite beach reads, coastal themed magazines, and even a collection of seashell or driftwood as bookends. It's not just functional but also adds a coastal charm to your reading corner. Extend your coastal theme to your outdoor living area. Select outdoor furniture in weathered finishes, complemented by comfy cushions in coastal colors. Decorate your outdoor spaces with seashell wind chimes, beach themed lanterns, and potted palm trees for that true seaside escape. For an extra touch of luxury, transform your bathroom into a spa like retreat with seaside theme. Invest in freestanding bathtub for ultimate relaxation. Place seashell and driftwood decorations around the bathtub and hang soft beachy themed towels within arm's reach. Don't forget to include woven basket filled with essential oils and scented bath salts for a truly calm spa experience. Furthermore, refresh your bedding with beach inspired patterns and colors. Look for duvet covers and sea sheets featuring sea creatures, seashells, and coastal landscapes. This simple addition instantly transforms your bedroom into a seaside paradise. If you have a garden or balcony, continue the seaside theme with coastal gardening. Plant beach grasses, succulents, and colorful coastal flowers to create a coastal landscape right outside your window. Incorporate driftwood planters or seashell covered pots for a unique touch. Bringing the seaside into your home decor is more than just a decorating choice, it's a lifestyle that allows you to savor the peace and serenity of coastal living. Whether you live near the beach or far inland, these creative seaside home decor ideas will help you to create a serene and refreshing atmosphere in your living space. Remember to infuse your personal style into these ideas and make your seaside retreat uniquely your own. If you found this video helpful and inspiring, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more fantastic home decor tips, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and until the next time, enjoy creating your seaside heaven.